welcome back to my channel. Today I have my Stitch Fix for the month of January. And how Stitch Fix works very quickly. It is a subscription style service. You fill out a profile the first time you sign up, and once you fill out that profile you will be styled with normally about 10 items. I believe, I know I get a preview, I think everybody does now. So you get a preview with like 10 items. You choose 5 if you like. You can choose less than 5, but you can only choose up to 5 out of that preview. So you can choose nothing. I've done that at times, and then they'll restyle me. Other times I've picked maybe 2, 3, and then, you know, they'll pick other items and throw them in before they ship it. Just depends. Also, that styling fee is normally $20, but if you use my link in the comments, you will get that style fee waived, and you'll also get $50 to shop your first fix. So again, link in the comments. Also, just so you know, I get money as well. If you use my link, I get money to shop my own fix. I'm trying to think anything else. Oh, I have the Style Pass, and there's been rumblings that that's going away, but through May, I have the Style Pass, so I don't pay for fix stylings. I pay $49 a year, and my style fees get waived for the year. So that is how Stitch Fix works. In the past, I was styled from the Dallas warehouse. This time out, it was Georgia. When it was Dallas, I would get my boxes through FedEx. This time I got it through UPS. But anything you don't want, you get a priority mailer envelope. You can send back any items you want through the post office. So I think that's the whole spiel about Stitch Fix. So we're going to get into the first outfit, which I'm already wearing, in a moment. Hang on for that. So this first outfit, and I will back up so you can see it, but on top I am wearing the EILEEN Fisher high crew neck boxy knit top. It is in black, size extra small, and it is $128. On the bottom, I'm wearing my own jeans, and when I pan down even lower, you'll see I'm wearing there's one of 2 pairs of boots in this try-on from this fix, and these are the Free People Footwear Sienna leather ankle bootie in off-white, size 6.5, $198. Fair warning, I am wearing, like I said, 2 of the items. 3 of the items in this fix I have found elsewhere online and on sale, because a lot of these items are from the winter and colder months, and we are heading into spring. So this top is completely black. I have cuffed the sleeve because if I show you how long the sleeves are, hang on, here's how long the sleeve is. So I've cuffed, especially because I like when my jewelry, but I cuffed it. I also did a front tuck. I'm just going to put my paperwork there. Let me see how far back. So again, these are my jeans. These are by cut from the cloth, and they're from Evereve. I ordered these through Evereve with my rewards at the end of the month, last month. I will pan down, but just so you know, I'm not going to untuck this. This is the top, the back of it. You can see the length. It is really long. It is boxy. It is front tuck to give the illusion of a waist, but yeah, I will actually untuck it. You can see just how big and boxy this top is. So for the waist issue, I have generously, and I'll do it again on camera, I have front tucked. And I'm sorry if I'm wasting time retucking this top, but I had to front tuck it because it is very big. I mean, that's the cut, and it is an extra small, so I couldn't even size down. It has the notches on the side. It's nice, but I wouldn't spend this price tag. And I know this is a pretty pricey brand, but I would not spend this price tag. And like I said, I think this is one of the items. I will double check, but there are 3 items, and I think it's this and definitely the boots. So I'm going to pan down in a second, but let me see how far back I can get so you can see the whole outfit. I have the boots on. These jeans are cuffed. That's the style, but I do have the boots on. So let me pan down so you can see them. Hang on. So there you go. There are the boots. And I'll take them off to show them closer, closer view. They are leather. They are really nice, but they're very expensive and they are on sale. I found them on sale elsewhere. So I will list in the comments the sale prices. I've already, for the 3 items, I've reached out to Stitch Fix to see if they'll price match. I know they used to do that in the past. So I figured I'd take a shot. But if they don't price match, I am not buying anything that's on sale elsewhere, to be honest with you. So this is the first outfit. Okay, I'm back with the next outfit, but before I get into the next outfit, I wanted to show you the boots I just had on in the last try on. And it's the color of them. They're like an off-white cream. They're really, really pretty. They have like a square toe, like a little piping line up the front. I like these. But I do have a pair of like cowboy western in a similar color, and these are on sale elsewhere. So if I don't get the sale price, I most likely would send them back. But if I do get the sale price, I may consider them. So we'll see. Anyways, I have the next outfit on, which is definitely more relaxed than the last. So let me give you, and I'm going to my paperwork again, so sorry about that, but I didn't have the paperwork in my hand because I was holding the boot first off. But I have 3 items. I have the last 3 items of this fix on, and now I have on the okay, on the bottom is the Free People Back Into It jogger. They're in a dark gray. They're an extra small. They are $88. On top is the North Face. This is the Women's Evolution High-Low Hoodie. It's in the color camel. Size extra small, $60. This is the cheapest item in the fix. And last but not least are the Sam Edelman footwear. These are the Kyler leather booties. These are the other pair of booties or boots that are in this fix. They're in the color brown, size 6.5, and they're $180. So the Free People footwear, these boots, were the most pricey item at $198. This is the cheapest. The second priciest are the boots I'm wearing now by Sam Edelman. So let me back up. Well, first, actually, let me show you the color. So here's the color of the North Face hoodie. I'm gonna back up. It has just has like regular drawstring. Has a hood. Put my hair so you can see here. It's got a hood. It has the North Face logo here on the chest. It's short. It's a cropped women's hoodie. It fits. I have a t-shirt on underneath it, so I'm layered. These are the joggers. They're really soft. These are really soft. Pockets in the front. Here's the back. It has an elastic waist, and it also has a drawstring. I opened the drawstring. I don't have them closed right now. I'll scooch down so you can see the boots in their entirety, but I'll just show you real quick. Yeah. Let me pan down. Okay, so here are the joggers. As I pan down, walk away, there are the boots. They say they're leather, but they're almost like a suede with some fur detail. I'll take them off and show them to you closer after this try on. I mean, they're cute. Again, they're pricey, and I'm gonna go through at the end and tell you the items that were on sale, but I just wanted you to see them. So So as promised, here are the boots. They're in like a chocolate brown color. I'm gonna try to come closer. See, they're kind of like a suede material. I don't feel they're leather. I have like the logo back here, embossed, and they're all fuzzy and furry. They're very comfortable. They're warm, just laces and fur detail here. I like that they have a little bit of height. Sorry for the wind. It's crazy windy out today as well. But yeah, I mean, they are really cute. So that's the try on. I'll be back to discuss all the pricing in a moment. Okay, that was a real fun try on. I want to, before I tell you the bottom line price with the discount, which the discount is always buy all, 25% off. So if buy all 5 items, you get 25% off. But these boots, they started out, and I need my paperwork, so I'm sorry about that. The Free People boots started out at $198. So these boots, $198. However, online, I found them on sale for $99.95. And this was on Free People. So if you buy these on their own website, you can get them for $99.95. So almost $100 off. And I've asked for price matching. If not, and I really like them, I can order them elsewhere for a lot cheaper. So just giving you that heads up. The other boots, which I'm still wearing, but this in the second try on, they started out $180. They're on sale elsewhere for $71.97 on Zappos. So same boots, started out at $180 down to $71.97. And the Free People sweatpants. So the joggers, I'm still wearing the joggers and I can't come out much more. But the joggers started out at $88 and they are on sale on everydayyoga.com for $52.80. So again, I've asked for some price matching, just fair warning. But if I were to keep all the items in this fix, like I said, there is a buy all discount of 25%. That buy all discount would be $163.50. So the stylist pick subtotal before that discount was $654. Again, that 25% off discount, $163.50. The new order subtotal, and the shipping is always free, is $490.50. That's pricey, and it's all stuff for the colder winter weather, with maybe the exception of these that you probably bring over to spring because they're a lighter color. Yeah, but still finding them on sale elsewhere. I'm waiting for the price matching point to find out what I'm doing. So that is pretty much it. Let me know your thoughts, at least on the items. As I said, there's some sale pricing, and I'm gonna see if I can get price matched, but I don't know. I gotta look back at the footage as well to see how I like the items on me. To be honest with you, I like everything. It's not that I don't like the items that were sent to me. Actually, 4 of the 5 items I picked out myself out of the preview, but this was the only item I did not pick, and they sent to me, and I do kind of like it. The color's a little, but it's a neutral color enough that I could wear this out and get some use out of it, so I have some decisions to make. However, that said, you have seen everything, and I guess I'm done with this try on, but I just want to thank all my returning subscribers for all their continued support and friendship. And those who have not subscribed, hit the subscribe button below. If you like this video, give me the thumbs up. And now I just want to say, have a magical day and bye for now.